welcome to TriggerTube. Today we're going to show you our new one Bluetooth relay that we have coming here in about 60 days. This is a sneak peek of new technology that we have. This is a retrofit for something or someone who already has a light bar wired. I've got a Vision X 20-inch XPL light bar. Every light bar that you buy, if it's of quality, comes with a relay or switch kit. So this is wired up to our battery with a fuse. Relay gets mounted under the hood somewhere. I'm sure you've seen that off-road rig that's got a million of these things mounted under the hood. Then we've got to run this long wire into the cab, and this lets us turn our lights on and off, right? So we traveled the country. We sold lots of 4 and 6 switch trigger controllers over the last couple of years that we've been doing business, and a lot of people said, hey, I've already got my light bars wired, or I don't need 4 or 6 switches, I've only got one light bar. But I want to be able to dim and strobe just like the trigger controller does. Our solution, the one Bluetooth relay. So take the relay that comes in your kit out. I'm going to turn it on and off real quick. Pull it out. Drop in your one Bluetooth relay. Fire up your trigger controller app. Now we've got Bluetooth control of our light. We can dim it and I've got greasy fingers. Strobe it just like that. So quick and easy retrofit. If you've already got lights in your vehicle or you don't want to wire any more lights or wire up a 6 or 4 switch trigger controller, one Bluetooth relay retails for $49.95. Buy it online or buy it in your local off-road shop. That's it for TriggerTube. See you on the trail.